In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a user story and acceptance criteria in Jira. Whether you're new to project management tools or a seasoned veteran, this easy-to-follow guide will help ensure your user stories are concise, clear, and effective for your team. Let's begin by navigating to Jira. Open your preferred web browser and access the Jira website. Once you're there, log in with your credentials if you haven't already. After you've successfully logged in, you should see your dashboard. From here, find and click on the Spaces menu located in the main navigation bar. This drop-down will show all the available spaces or projects that you have access to. Select the project in which you want to create a new user story. It's important to choose the correct space as this helps in keeping your projects organized and accessible to the right team members. Next, locate the board within your chosen project. This is crucial because it's where your team will track progress, issues, and tasks. Clicking on the board provides you with an overview of all current activities and backlogs, giving you a clear picture of ongoing development. To begin writing your user story, you need to click on the Create button. It's typically easy to spot. Often it is a prominent button on your interface. By clicking it, you open the dialog where you'll input your story details. Here, type in the core aspects of the user story. It's best practice to use a simple template such as a user type, I want functionality, so that benefit. This structure ensures clarity and purpose, aligning the team on what you're trying to achieve. After detailing the user story, it's time to select the appropriate task type. You'll find a list of options. In this case, choose Story. Selecting the right type is critical because it affects how tasks are categorized and managed within Jira. With your task type chosen, add the story to the board by entering any further descriptions if required. Descriptions often help in providing necessary context and details that might not fit in the user story field. Be comprehensive yet concise, focusing on critical information. Once you have everything set, don't forget to click Save. This action confirms the creation of your user story and ensures that all your hard work doesn't get lost. Hitting Save commits all entered data to your Jira board, making it accessible to your team right away. And there you have it. You've successfully created a user story and set the foundation for clear communication and efficient project management within Jira. Remember, user stories are an ongoing tool to facilitate dialogue and understanding, so keep them updated and relevant as your project evolves. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.